Mixed in with my set off is some gravy, alright? Set it off is on under here. Okay, so. I'm always ready to be gangster when needed. You know, it's the great gangster though. It's the OG. It's the OG. Okay, these ain't baby hair, these adult hairs.
5. There's none of that. What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing good. And so, it's that weather. It's that time. I told you guys when I felt like I wasn't in menopause anymore, I was gonna get the wigs again. Yeah. So we got the wigs. That's what we doing, okay? And just to let you guys know, this is maybe like the first of a couple of what are these episodes? Shows? What the hell do they call them on here? Just videos, I guess. Okay, well, there's a couple of videos, all right?
Well-liberated women love their libations.
I had some testing to do and I passed. I'm going to do a wig video. You going to sit back. You going to watch me. I've been looking for a good old hat wig. Y'all remember this video? I'll link it. It'll be somewhere up at the top. I wasn't too impressed with that hat wig. Wig hat. Hat wig. The hat wig. Wig hat. I don't know which word comes first. I really don't. Seems like it could go either way. Battle Royale of the wig hats, hat wigs. Just choose whichever way you want to say it. Because, you know, whichever way you want to say it is the right way. Came out your mouth, didn't it? Whew. So, look, this video is the throw on to the grocery store. She done been bad in school. You got to come pick her up and you wasn't prepared. You just found out it's going to be freezing tomorrow. So you might want to go ahead and put some gas in your car. And it's 9 o'clock at night and you just want to throw it on. Just throw it on. I'm going to have a little sip more of my libations. Young Kang store. Okay. It's a baseball cap wig. It's long, natural, wavy hair extension.
I knew it was a Sensen. You know, I rock the Sensens. I don't have a problem with the Sensens. You know, it's all about how they come. You know what I mean? So if the Sensen come correct, I'm rock with it. You know what I mean? If the Sensen come foolish, we're gonna use that return policy that they have so kindly put there for us. Okay? So, you know. Yeah, that's really it.
So, it's a fiber hair piece, adjustable wig for women, girls. I got a T-blonde, honey blonde. Now,
I think that I should say now that when I looked at the color, I thought let me hold on. Let me just put this down because I want y'all to honestly, I mean, I feel like my anxiety is raising again, but I really want y'all to understand where I'm coming from, right? I thought I could rock this color then. I did. I did. Because there's still a little part of me today that feels like I might be able to pull this off. But then there's a completely larger other side that feels like I might have I don't know what I've done. I'm confused. I confuse myself. I know I'm the one who made the purchase. No disputing that. None. I don't, because, I mean, it was something, I think, hold on.
Let's just shut up and just do it. Let's just do it. Like, you telling me to do it already. I know you are. I know it. So this is what she looked like. I got to figure out the date on when I placed it and what I might have been going through. Yeah. So, I'm kind of just stroke. I feel like, do I really need to put her on? Do we really need to do that? I don't feel like she want to be worn. I feel like she good right where she at. I don't feel like I have a dome, but I feel like I'm a medium. I definitely don't have a small head, but I don't feel like I have a dome either. I feel like I have a medium. We need to come on from the back. We need to come on from the back and smooth it on out. All right. So, what's this doing for y'all? What is this doing for y'all? I think this is not our color. I think, oh, she's shedding a whole lot more now. Oh, Sin. Sin.
I gotta look at the date that I made the purchase. Because like I said, I think I was going through something. God made purchases, going through some things. And I thought I was going to do some Beyonce. That's what it was. That's what it was. I'm not even part of Beehive. I'm not. I thought I was going to do Beyonce. I didn't. It's okay. Next week.
Okay, so this wig is a wig hat. Okay, this is from Hero. Yeah. I have it here or here, it's a Hero hat hair extensions baseball cap with hair attached synthetic curly corn. I wonder if they meant cream corn wave wig, but what's she is synthetic.
Now I got her because if y'all remember, I had another video, right, where I had a wig hat, right, and I wasn't too pleased with the length, you know what I mean, and I didn't like how the tracks kind of just stopped right here. I don't even think they came up there. They came back here, and then you had all this gap, and it just wasn't right. So I wanted to get something that was a little bit longer, right, and to see if, and also see if the tracks can just, maybe just come on down. So, well, we're gonna see. So let me go ahead and get Hero.
Okay. The track comes up a little bit further than the last one. I'll give it that. It does come up a little bit further than the last one. I still wish there was still like an extra track or two. I ain't even gonna lie. Just one right here and one right. Okay, but I see that's asking for too much because I didn't ask for it about twice now. And I can't seem to get it. So, my mom said closed mouths don't get fed. Well, I didn't open mine twice and I'm still hungry. So, this is cute. I like her. You know, for 24, she cute. I gotta take some pictures.
Milking welfare. Cause if you're 5'3" and you're green, what the world's gotten to really bad. Yeah, I belong right here. Got a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.
Alright, so this next one is from the I Shine store. It's a headband wig for black women. Long black afro kinky yaki straight wig, natural looking synthetic headband wig with black headband glueless, non-lace front, 26 inches. This thing is cute, okay? I'm talking about just the kinky yaki style alone. I love. Doesn't always love me back though. Boy, you turn me inside out, round and round. Okay, so the wig has 2 adjustable straps, one on each side, and then they have a comb in the back and one on each side and one in the front. It's a lot of hair. It's cute, you know. It's a lot though. It's a lot. It's a lot for me. This is not really like a throw it on wig for me. This is a throw it on, but like I want to look cute though. Like I could wear this with some really cute makeup and just, you know, like. But this is not like a grocery store or laundromat. This not that for me. This not throw it on. This not. But you know, she real cute though, y'all. I wonder if I could. There's a part of me that wants to see if I can flat iron her and see if I can get her just maybe not so poofy. But look, she real long. Oh, she real long. So, you know, ignore the hole in my shirt, okay? I'm at home. Where you at? Look at yourself. Okay. So, I mean, I don't even have a headband on. I'm just doing the most.
So, I just got finished reading to see if there was anything about heat and didn't say anything about heat. So, I'm just curious if it'll take just a little bit. Because I think I would love it even more if it was just a little bit more flat. You know? Because my head, I feel like, I thought I had a medium head. I really did. I thought I had a medium head, and I come to find out I don't have a medium head. I think I might have a large. It's not extra large, but I think I might have a large. But I love this, though. Look, I can throw this in a ponytail. Like, going to the gym.
I don't attach the side.
You know that you can share to yourself. That's still a share for me, okay? So you can send any video that you like to yourself on. Just share it to yourself. Put your own phone number in. Share it to yourself. It helps me. It helps me. Believe it or not, it does. Okay?
Clips, because I feel like they yank out my hair. That's just how I feel. If you feel like they don't yank out your hair, use them, girl. Use them. We're gonna see what I can do with this. This isn't a grocery store laundromat wig unless you...
You know. You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, then it's that type of wig. You know what I mean? That type of one. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's that.
$14? This, wait, what?
I'll get you one.
Yeah, that's cute, that's cute, that's cute. Okay, let's get to the next one. So yeah, this is a headband wig, and this is from Ali Coco.
Alec. It could be Alec though. Alec. Alec. It could be Ali Coco. It's the Ali Coco store.
It's a headband wig, curly headband wig for women, water wave, headband wig, 180% density, synthetic, glueless, half wig, headband wig, headband wig. 26 inches, 1B. We got a comb in the bag. We got the 2 adjustable straps. And we got a comb in the front and 2 combs on the side. All right. Let's see. And we got the adjustable. Oh, don't forget the adjustable strap. It is a headband wig. I feel like that's kind of like, if you hear headband wig, you know there's a headband attached, but maybe not. Common sense ain't common. I don't know why the hell they gave it the name. Oh, this cute. This real cute. This not cute for play. This cute for real. Okay. I like this one better than I like the hat wig. Oh, I like this better as a throw-on wig than the other one. This is softer. Synthetic, but this is a softer synthetic. This one came with 2 headbands. So, this one and this one. I'm gonna just throw one on real quick. Alright. So I think we had a good little throw-on session. You know, whether you want a hat wig hat, kinky, giving it, that takes heat, a soft, ooh, this is so soft, y'all. This is so soft. Ooh, this cute. You know, make sure you do your little swoopity swoops with your adult hairs, because we ain't got no baby hairs. If you over here, you ain't got no baby hairs. Here we are. That's it. Beautiful disasters. But this was it. This was our little throw-on. I thought this was a little nicer. Okay. So, yeah. Y'all have a good night. All right. Bye. And don't forget, I hope at some point in this, did you subscribe, like, follow, comment, do all those wonderful things? Okay. I'm going to run away now. Bye.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down. Deactivating.